Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit more about this guy, the Marvel's Spider-Man PS4 SHF figure arts action figure. And as you can see, is he or is he not completely straight in his torso/abdominal section? I believe he is, and the reason behind that is, okay, let's pop him apart here. Just like so, as you can see right in there, that is completely straight. At least for the most part. It's straight enough to where it makes the body itself straight when you pop it back on the ball joint. Now the way that I did this is I dipped this in hot water, and then I took pliers and I straightened it out, you know, forcing it to the other side. But be careful with this because of stuff like this. As you can see right there, I have a little bit of... Now that's not paint rub, that's from the red plastic in here rubbing against the white paint on this section of the body. So yeah, the way basically how I do it is I'll take a cup of hot water, you know, I'll heat it up in the microwave for like 30 seconds or so, and I'll dip it for about that long, maybe 15 seconds, somewhere around there. I'll take it out, you know, then I'll take my pliers, and then I'll just push it to the side for about 10-ish seconds, and that fixes it. Now, it does take a couple of tries to get it to be, you know, completely vertical, but it's worth it. As you can see, you know, the results are outstanding. It's a lot better for now versus how it used to be. You know, the figure looks a lot better just standing there posed, and you don't have to pose them awkwardly to look good. And proof is the back is straightened out too. As you can see, the legs are straightened out for the most part over here. So yeah, it might take a little bit of finagling. It might not be perfect. It might be reverting on me. I don't think it is though. I think it is just fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Cause the sculpting between the two pieces is a little strange. I'm not gonna lie. Because of how he articulates and stuff. But you know. But yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Spectrum's Tips and Tricks, and I hope this helped you out as much as it helped me out. Check out my Facebook link will be in the description below, and check me out on Instagram at spectrum.reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!